Hello everyone, I am Dr. Anurag Tiwari, and over the past few days, I have seen a lot of videos claiming to tell us who wrote the Constitution of India. But honestly, most of those explanations didn't quite satisfy me. So I thought, why not discuss this topic with you all and understand it from the beginning, step by step. Instead of beating around the bush, let's come straight to the topic, that is, the framing of the Constitution of India. Now, most of us know that the Constitution was drafted by the drafting committee formed by the Constituent Assembly. That's true. But it's not the whole story. Let's trace it from the start. The first rough draft of our constitution was actually prepared by Sir B.N. Rao, the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly. His draft had around 240 articles and 13 schedules. Then came the drafting committee with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as its chairman. The committee carefully studied Rao's draft, revised it, and on Feb 21, 1948, submitted the first draft of the Constitution, which had 315 articles, 18 parts, and 8 schedules. After that, the Constituent Assembly discussed each and every clause word by word from November 15, 1948 to October 17, 1949. Imagine the amount of debate, intellect, and hard work that went into shaping every line of this constitution. Once the debate were over, the chief draftsman of the constitution, Sri S.N. Mukherjee, gave final legal form to this constitution. And finally, on November 26, 1949, the Constitution of India was adopted with 395 articles, 22 parts, and 8 schedules. But wait, I have something more to say. The original English version of the Constitution wasn't typed or printed, it was handwritten, that too by Prem Bihari Narayan Raijada in elegant calligraphy, and the Hindi version was beautifully penned by Vasant Krishna Vaidya. So, when someone asks who wrote the Indian Constitution, the honest answer is no single person did. The Indian Constitution is not just a document written by one hand, it's a masterpiece built on the collective wisdom, dedication, vision, and of many brilliant minds who dreamed of a free and just India. And since it's the longest written constitution of the world, it's simply impossible and meaningless to credit it to one individual alone. So, instead of debating who wrote the constitution, let's appreciate how beautifully and thoughtfully it was made through discussions, diversity, and the democratic spirit. Thank you.